Okay, so this is my first review, so please be patient. We have here the Dirt Devil Spider and the sensor. This model costs a bit more than $100, like 120 or something like that, and this one is about half that price. Okay, so you will see they look pretty much the same. They have about the same size. They work on the same principle. Yeah, I've got ghosts. No, it's just my lamp. Okay, so this is the dust collector in Dirt Devil. This is the dust collector in Sensor, I think they say it, but it's Polish, so I'm not very sure. You'll see this one is way smaller, so it's about half this size. I've never used this one, but I have this one for a week. I bought it on Black Friday, so yeah. Anyway, they have the same system. You take off this plastic thing. Here is the dust collector. This one has a lot of dust in it. Yuck. Okay, I'll put it back. This one, as I told you, it's pretty new. It's shining. So it's pretty simple to take the dust off and put them back. Okay, this one comes like this. Okay, so let's start. Which one? Let's start this one that I already know. Oh, wait. Here it has some lights for battery when it's empty, for battery when it's full, and this one is for when the dust needs to be cleaned out of the dust holder. Okay, so, and as you can see, this one is flexible. It has some rubber here. This one has something like that too. It's smaller, but I think it's kind of the same thing. This one has the battery spots here. The charger goes here. Okay, this one has them here. As you can see. Okay, so in order to start it, you just push this button. Maybe I should start this one too. Let's see. I have many cat toys for my cat, so oh, so it's doing very well with obstacles. Let's hit that one. Oh, pretty smart. Now they have a lot of obstacles in this room, so it's a pretty good room to test them. Wow. Yeah, so the small Polish one does a great job too. I was actually wondering about that because I told you it costs half the price, so it started rotating. And that one also. This one is a bit more noisier, but it's not bothering. I'm not sure how you'll hear it on the camera, but I could work with it like right at my office, at my desk, and it wouldn't be a problem. That one, it's under the bed now, so it's doing a great job there. So I really like the sensor. It's pretty smart. It turns around. Yeah. Past that obstacle. Pretty sensible, so I'm accurate. Let's see if it manages to get out of there. Haha. Oh, yeah, great. Let's see what happens when it gets stuck under something. Okay, so it stops. The Daredevil does exactly the same thing, and when I take my foot away, it should start again in a few seconds. Let's see. Oh, come on. No, so it stops for good. Yeah, so you need to turn it off and turn it on again, so it's not that smart as the Daredevil. Let's see what happens if you take it off the ground. It is still spinning. Oh, it stopped. Yeah, that's great. I guess the Daredevil got stuck. Let's see when you put it on. Oh, it starts again by itself. So let's see. Oh, come on. Oh, it's... Okay, so I'm curious what's in this one now. Oh, there is some dirt. It wasn't that dirty on the floor because the Dirt Devil has been put to work during the past few days, but anyway. Okay, so if you have any questions, please ask me.